Why your VW AC compressor may be failing and how to fix it. Has your VW AC stopped blowing cold air? Well, it could be due to a faulty compressor. Want to know why a vehicle's AC compressor might fail? Well, read on to find out. VW AC compressor failure. Possible reasons explained. Number 1. Lack of lubrication. The compressor works hard to provide you with cool air. Sufficient amount of lube is essential for the smooth running of the compressor. If the lube dries out, the compressor will run rough and may even stop working. Number 2. Corrosion. Yes. Corrosion can also cause your VW's AC compressor to go bad. Flush your vehicle's AC unit periodically. And, if necessary, refill it with new refrigerant. Number 3. Mechanical fault. The AC compressor is a fairly complicated piece of equipment. Some of the major components it makes use of are: release pulley shaft piston suction port discharge port ECV connector. If one of the above said parts go bad, the compressor will cease to operate. Number 4. Refrigerant leak. Refrigerant leaks can also result in AC compressor failure in your Volkswagen. Check your refrigerant level from time to time and if necessary top it up. VW AC compressor failure. Fixes. Driving a vehicle with a bad AC compressor can be very uncomfortable. So, if you suspect an AC compressor problem in your VW, contact a professional. To sum things up, the compressor is the centerpiece of your VW's air conditioning unit. Ensuring its upkeep is therefore important.